Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 5009 West Ridge Run overlooking beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
This is a magnificent home worthy of Architectural Digest with million-dollar views and nearby lake access.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is the epitome of upscale living, being the original model home. Beginning with a grand and sophisticated two-story foyer, accented by stunning custom leaded glass windows that set the tone for this extraordinary home. The heart of the residence is a magazine-worthy great room showcasing a designer kitchen with rich cherry candlelight cabinetry, quartz countertops, chic subway tile backsplash, high-end stainless steel appliances, a walk-in pantry, and a center island breakfast bar. The kitchen seamlessly overlooks the dining area with deck access and a spectacular living area featuring a coffered ceiling, custom built-ins, a gas fireplace, and an incredible wall of windows framing breathtaking lake views. Entertain in style in the elegant formal dining room, highlighted by a recessed ceiling, transom windows, and beautiful hardwood floors. For work or a quiet retreat, escape to the first floor executive office or library with French doors, custom built-ins, and a stunning wall of windows overlooking the lake. The first floor is completed by an updated powder room and convenient laundry, blending luxury and everyday functionality. The grand elegance of this magnificent home continues upstairs, where the scenic overlook of the dramatic two-story foyer and gleaming hardwood floors lead to 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 beautifully updated full bathrooms. The luxurious primary suite is a true retreat, featuring a recessed ceiling, hardwood floors, and breathtaking elevated lake views that are simply unforgettable. Completing the suite is a spa-inspired bathroom with a jetted soaking tub, tiled shower, private water closet, and dual walk-in closets. The spectacular finished walkout lower level offers an exceptional blend of luxury and comfort, featuring an expansive open layout designed for both relaxation and entertaining. Highlights include a spa-inspired full bathroom with rainfall and multiple body shower heads, an inviting media lounge, and an elegant sitting area with French doors that open to the secret garden. It's all about the views and outdoor living when summer arrives, and this exceptional property truly has it all. Enjoy breathtaking panoramic lake views from the expansive Trex deck overlooking the covered stamped concrete patio below. The outdoor retreat continues with a private secret garden featuring a tranquil waterfall and a hot tub, the perfect setting to relax and unwind after a long day.
You have million-dollar, or should I say billion-dollar views from this entertainment-sized deck. The exceptional quality and craftsmanship is evident in the details, with maintenance-free exterior, which makes this truly a one-of-a-kind property with Canandaigua Lake views. This property has a premier location. Canandaigua Lake access is just steps away. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5009 West Ridge Run in Canandaigua.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!